Yo, it is good. Got a quick recap for today. Took one trade and I won. I won. We did it. No, I'm kidding. But yeah. So it was just one trade. Not much. Not really complicated. We did have Powell speaking today though. What does that mean? Do you see that message that showed up? I don't know, but okay, so this is a trade GBPUSD, so I'll just start with that just to get over it quickly. So 4 hour was bullish. We never broke structure to the downside after breaking up here. So 4 hour was bullish. On the 1 hour, we had a fair value gap here, but it got disrespected, so that was like not really anything to count on. This one was gone too, but we did have this fair value gap that only got interacted with and could potentially fill in more, but you never know. But I'm so paranoid this is gonna start freezing up. Still on the 30-minute, bro. I don't know why I'm so tired. But anyway, so you had Asian highs, London highs up here, and then London lows were the main thing I wanted to see. And then we also came into the Asian lows, which was really nice. So coming into market open, we opened right above the London high, and then right at market open, we take out the London low. So at this point, I was looking like, yo, maybe we could like form a high and break structure to the upside. But again, the risk reward would have been kind of cooked. Because kind of short target, but yeah, we ended up pushing way lower into the 30-minute fair value gap. There was 30-minute there, and then also into the 1 hour fair value gap, which the 30-minute fair value gap was within. So we push all the way down, push into the Asian low. Yeah, so then we form a low here. We have a nice reaction to the upside. We have a fair value gap here that got inversed on the 5-minute, and then I was looking for 1 minute continuation because there was a 30-minute closure below. Close right here on the 30-minute. So then what do? We come into 1 minute fair value gap, respect it very nicely. Not showing any, like we broke structure down here, but looked for fair value gap and then entered off the 1 minute breaker structure, entered long. And yeah, saw price moving down a little bit. It kind of got panicked. Just set my stop loss below here. If I had my stop loss right here, bro, I would have gone stopped out. Yo, taken. Yeah, if I had my stop here, I would have definitely gone stopped out. So it's a good thing that I like followed my rule of thumb, because I was thinking because of the fair value gaps, I should just keep my stop loss below the lowest fair value gap. But all of them ended up getting disrespected, so not really sure. I think I just got a bit lucky with that. Low key, not low key, high key. 12.6. I only put it 1 pip below, so not the full 2.5 because the risk reward was kind of cooked. So my first target was a 5-minute high that was in between, because I wanted to have like a short-term high. I think it was still 1.25 at the time. Yeah, so it was exactly 1.24 maybe. Depends on where you get filled. 1.2, but yeah. I wanted to have a short target because today was the. Yo, please say it's not frozen. Okay, today was news at 8 a.m. So I was only looking to trade from 6:20 to 7 a.m. and then if I was in a position, I would look to de-risk by what was happening? De-risk by 7:30 or just get out of the position with break even or something like that. So yeah, Federal Chairman Powell testifies, and that was here. So it went to my favor pretty nicely. So the way I managed my position, right, was at 7:30 I took 50 off. Then right before news I took I think I took a third off here. And then I took a third off here, and then full up here. And it ended up rallying even further. So oh wait, no. This is the last thing. So it was 0.5 third close, and then we ended up rallying even higher. So let me see if there's a high, because I targeted a 4-hour high from previous day. Yeah, I think this is like all-time highs or something. Yo, what? Yo, that's kind of sick. We're making history right now. We made history. Wow. Wow, we're not even close. Wow, we were way up here. This in 2009. Damn, that's like 1971. Is that a dinosaur? Wow, that's cool. I never knew that. Anyways, bro, I bit my tongue. So yeah, that was the trade. So what are some emotions I felt? Let's see. Well, that's just news. So I was a bit scared when entering, really wanted to win, but I just need to put in my mind that I already lost that money, and just be patient for TB to get hit, because I was checking the charts a bit too much. So how to improve? Yeah, I took too many TPs, I feel like. And I was watching, because I was actually like watching the speech, and I was like judging based on like what was happening. Oh, it's gonna go down now. Oh, it's gonna go up. And I thought I was the market makers, but yo, I'm not. Just need to be more patient and just not look at the charts. Those are my main issues. Yeah, good thing I didn't watch the chart. Otherwise, I would have started tweaking when I was down here. But then, got saved by the bell and ended up coming up higher, right? So, yeah. So GBP JPY, nothing happened. We were 4-hour bullish. Just, yeah, closure above here, but I need some water. So wanted to see the low get taken, but we never, like, we started moving a bit, but we never ended up getting down there, and then we just consolidated around the high. Nothing really happened. Euro USD was really nice for like GBP USD. 4-hour was bullish, similar, because we never broke structure to the downside after breaking up here. On the 30-minute, we had like the London lows were the main thing I wanted to see taken out, and similar to GBP USD, we had the Asian lows down below. NY lows down below, which were a potential thing to go and take, but never got down there. So market opens, we do end up going up instead, and I thought, we're just gonna keep on going up, but we ended up coming down lower. And at this point, I was debating between GBP USD and Euro USD, but I chose GBP USD because the risk reward was better on GBP USD, and I didn't want to like take two trades on the USD pair when the freaking Powell was speaking, you know what I'm saying? So just chose one of them, and didn't really get a proper entry until, we did get an entry here, but I probably would have wanted to see this fair value gap. That's why I just stopped looking at it, because we did have this combination of fair value gaps that I want to see get close above, and that risk reward was kind of cooked. So yeah, we do end up inversing this gap here, so maybe could have entered something like that right at 7 a.m. That probably would have. Wait, that I probably wouldn't have, like, that's probably like, that's like, it closed at 7:05, which is like after I want to trade, so wouldn't have seen a setup, but this actually moved quite nicely as well. This is probably a better risk reward, like way better, but yeah, look at this trade I just took, crazy, yo. I'm actually built like that. 1 to 5R. Sign up for the Discord link in bio. We're gonna get rich, making out the matrix, saying all that good shit. But yeah, that is all for today. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna start making these like day 1, day 2, so then more people try watching low key. But anyways, yeah, good win today. Pretty happy about it, but I can't get too happy because yeah.